Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stitch a designer circular or cascading ruffles wrapped flower dress for 9 to 10 years old. Hope you will like it. These are the fabrics I am using for the dress. 1/2 meters embroidered net fabrics for upper layer of bodies. 1/2 meter cotton fabrics for bodice lining. 3 meters silk fabrics for upper layer of the skirt. 2 meters cotton fabrics for skirts lining. A zipper. So let's start with the measurement details. Now I am showing you the body's measurements on this lining fabric. Fold the fabric into 4 like so. First, mark a straight line. Length of the bodies is 14 inches. Shoulder width 6 inches. Armhole depth 6 inches. Chest is full round of chest, adding 4 inches of ease allowance and divided it into by 4 and 1 inch extra for seaming allowance. Waist is full round of waist, adding 3 inches of ease allowance and divided it into by 4 and 1 inch extra for seaming allowance. Neck width 3 inches. Neck depth for front 4 inches and neck depth for back 2 inches. .75 inch for shoulder drop. Giving the curve shape to the armholes. And giving the round shape to the neck. Cut the lining fabric with giving 1 cm extra for seaming allowance. Similarly, cut the net fabrics for the bodies. Now I am showing you the cutting of lining skirt. Fold the fabric to make a triangular shape like so. Then mark the waist measurements as I have marked on the body's piece. And mark the length of the skirt and cut the lining skirt pattern. Similarly, cut the upper skirt layer with silk fabrics. Now I am showing you how to cut the wrapped flower layer. For this, I am using the cascading ruffle pattern. My fabric is so soft, silky and slippery, so it doesn't show you the measurements. So I'll show you the ruffle cutting on this cotton fabric, so you can see it properly. For this, I have taken 2 pieces of cloth, that is 25 by 25 inches, as you can see. Then first, I'll mark a plus sign of 12 by 12 inches as shown. I'll mark a plus sign of 12 by 12 inches. This much piece I am using for flower wrapping. And then mark 3 points of 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches, 3 points I am marking here, and join these points in circle shape as shown. Then mark 4 points on 3.5 inches. I am marking 4 points on 3.5 inches. And join all these points in a circular way. Then mark a point on 8 inches as shown and join it like so. Then take rest of 12 to 13 inches point and join it as shown. And at the end, curve it little bit like so and cut the 2 ruffle pieces. I have marked the same ruffle measurements on the 2 pieces of silk fabrics as I have shown on that black fabrics. These pieces are facing wrong side each other and cut the ruffle pieces as shown. Now first take your body's upper and lining pieces by facing right side each other and then stitch the front piece on the neck and armhole side. And the back piece stitch only the armholes. And rolled hem the outer edges of the ruffles. Now take your back body's piece and join both the skirt layers to the bodies. Mark a center line to attach the zipper and take a strip of fabric that is 3 inches in width and length of the strip is 17 to 18 inches. My zipper is 16 inches long. Stitch the strip on 3 sides and pin it to center line of the bodies. And make a V kind of stitch line on the strip. Cut the middle of this V-stitch and turn the strip to the wrong side and press it. Now pin the zipper as shown and make a stitch line. Now take front skirt pieces and pin the ruffle pieces on the skirts as shown. Make some pleats with the left side of the ruffle, as you can see in the video. Then make a stitch line to join the ruffle pieces to the skirts. After then, join this to the front body's piece. I have joined the front bodies with the skirts. Now wrap the remaining ruffle pieces to make a flower. Gather the ruffle pieces with thread and needle. And stitch it to the bodies as shown. Now just stitch the dress in a regular way. After completing all this, I'll show you the finished dress. This is how my dress looks after stitching. And I have glued some red kundan stone flowers on the dress. You can embellish the dress as you want. Hope you liked my video. Please like, comment and share my work, and also subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.